It's me again, Irene. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is all about how to register your Lucky Shopping account. But before that, let us try to find out what this Lucky Shopping all about. So here, welcome to Lucky Shopping platform, which is an intelligent order matching platform composed of 3 parties. We have established first-line cooperation with large online e-commerce giants. For example, Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, and Shopee, and other international e-commerce platforms. What you are going to do here is to match orders for merchant platforms through an intelligent matching system to increase the sales volume of merchants and the reputation of each merchant platform. We hope to use our platform. 1. Improve business sales and reputation of various merchant platforms. 2. Let our members earn more income through online part-time jobs. So first thing you are going to do is to go to the link that is given by your friend, the invitation link. For example, ito, you click that link, then download. Ito ang lalabas. You enter your username, then your cellphone number, then you send it. Then lalabas dito ang SMS verification code from the cellphone number that you have entered. Then dito mo ilalagay ang SMS verification code. After that, lagyan mo ng password, repeat your password or confirm your password, then click register. Okay, that's it. You already have the account. So if you are interested to join in this platform, just click on the description below my invitation link. Have fun and enjoy order grabbing while earning. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.